Very good morning, dear students. Myself, Mrs. Nikita Mekwan, presenting to you chapter 29 Word Building of Standard 5, subject English Grammar. So, today we will learn about the word building, how we are making word by adding suffix and prefix. Let's see in textbook. You can form words from other words by adding letters at the end of the words. Letters added at the end of the words are called suffix. If we add letters after any word, then it will call suffix. Let's see the example. Uh, Here the word is said. If we add ness, then the noun become adjective, sadness. Then the verb enjoy. If we add ment, then the word will be enjoyment. When we are adding meant to enjoy, then the verb become noun. Now let's see another word great. Greatly. We add suffix ly to it and the adjective became adverb. We add ly and the adjective great become greatly adverb. Act. If we add tion, shun, then it is showing the result of the action, act. Long. If we add th suffix, then it will be length. Then if we are adding th, then it is showing the value of the word. Harm. Then we are adding harmful, suffix ful, full. When we are adding, noun become adjective. Then glory, glory. Then if we add ious to the word, then it will means full of. The verb become adjective. Class. We add ify suffix to it, classify. Then when we are adding ify to the noun, then it will become verb. Classify will be verb. Storm. If we add y, then noun storm become adjective stormy. Now this way we can change the word meaning and we can change its value also when we are adding suffix to it. Now remember that sometimes you have to make other spelling changes. You can form words from other words by adding letters before words. Letters added before other words are called prefix. When we are adding before the word, they are called prefix. Joy, enjoy. Then when we are adding prefix, then the meaning will change. It's enjoy means in or within we have to joy. Cycle, recycle. The meaning will change again back. Company. If we add prefix ac, then the word will be accompany. Then its meaning will change towards in sense of direction. Accompany means. Okay, now let's go for exercise. Add suitable suffix to the words in brackets and fill in the blanks. Now here we have to add suffix to the word. The sky was blank and it looked like it would rain. The word in bracket is cloud. Then we will add y to it. Then the word will be become cloudy. The sky was cloudy and it looked like it would rain. Number 2, it was his blank that he forgave his enemies. The word is great. Then we will add ness, greatness. It was his greatness that he forgave his enemies. वो उसका बड़प्पन था जो उसने उसके दुश्मनों को माफ़ कर दिया. Number 3, my brother has decided to study blank. The word is manage. Then we will add meant to the word management. My brother has decided to study management. Number 4, the criminal tries to blank his wrong deeds. The word in bracket is just. Then we will add ify to just. Then the spelling will be justify. 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 Now let's read the blank. The criminal tried to justify his wrong deeds. Number 5. Their journey through the forest was blank. The word is danger. Then we will add ous to the verb. Then it will become adjective dangerous. Their journey through the forest was dangerous. Number 6. The child laughed blank at the magician's trick. The word is hearty. Then we add ly to it, and if we are adding ly to it, then y become of hearty will change in I. The spelling will be heartily, heartily. Okay, the child laughed heartily at the magician's trick. Exercise 2 is add suitable prefixes to the words in brackets and fill in the blanks. Let's solve out it. Number 1, Raju should blank his younger brothers to study harder. Now we have to add prefixes. The word in bracket is courage. Then we will add en to it. Then the word will be encourage. Raju should encourage his younger brother to study harder. Number 2, we had to blank our new passes every month. The word in bracket is new. Then we will add re. Then the word will be renew. Let's fill in the blank. We had to renew our passes every month. Blank number 3 is this key will blank to you to get in. The word in bracket is able. We will add en prefixes to it. The word will be enable. This key will enable you to get in. Number 4, blank the receipt of the letter by SMS. The word is knowledge. Then we will add AC to it. Acknowledge the receipt of the letter by SMS. And when we are filling, the A will be capital of acknowledge because it's the starting of the sentence, the first letter of the sentence. Okay. We will we will write capital acknowledge. When we are writing the spelling of acknowledge, we will write capital A. Number 5, we had to blank the yard with boulders to keep away the wolves. Okay, the word in bracket is close. Then we will add en to it. Then the word will be enclose. Now let's fill in the blank. We had to enclose the yard with boulders to keep away the wolves. Okay, so here students our chapter gets over. Watch this video carefully. Thank you very much.